Greetings, fellow traders. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. We sure did in the Positive Trends weekly newsletter, private Twitter. So Boeing was on the game plan today. Everybody who follows us on Twitter on the free stream, saw the that tweet that Boeing was a 15 orb setup. So we took advantage of that today in the private Twitter. Just so we can review here for you. So the 15 orb, right, is the first 15-minute bar of the day. So it's the opening range bar, and we look for the opening range break of that bar. But there's also other strategies that you can use to trade within that orb. So what I did, here's the first 15-minute bar of the day, and what I did is I put a price point here, the 15-minute orb high and the 15-minute orb low. So now you have a essentially a price level that you're trading within, right? So what this does is it shows you where the bears draw the line and the bulls draw the line. So we look for breaks, but the market was so weak this morning it could barely break to the upside. And what that did is just confirm a downtrend, from the pre-market levels. And so what that did is it gave us an idea here. We came back up, right, tested that orb level, but it hit also. It would need to break through there pretty powerfully to get through this trend line. And then it tried to do it again a little bit later. So what we do is within this 15-minute orb range, newsletter subscribers are tuned into this because we write all about it and give these descriptions in the private videos and in the newsletter itself. But what we have is the inside bar here within the 15-minute orb. And so we do like to look for price action within that range. And so with the market going down and Boeing having bad news, this was a perfect 15-minute orb trade. And so what we did is we took that here to the downside. And so let me actually pull that up here in the private Twitter and just kind of show you what we looked at. So here is this, and then let me see if that comes up there. Yep, there it is. So here you can see we looked at the inside 15 orb. I kind of pointed this out, in the trade, showed where I took the entry. Okay, and then from there we switch to the option chart where we manage our trade. Okay, and so this is a real great way to manage trades and understand risk when you're trading with options. And so here we start off, of course, after the first bar, after the entry, we keep our stop below that first bar, and then we trail bar by bar until it makes sense. And so following this up to the upside, so that was the this bar here, we could just continued up, and then just followed bar by bar. And then, as you can see, it already got really good, and got up to the $6 level. Ultimately, went up to the $7 level, and had a really nice trade with that. So yeah. So and you can see Boeing continued off of that 15 to the downside. It actually broke the 15 orb low, right? Broke to the downside, gave you an inside bar right here, outside bar, and then all the way to the downside, which is a pretty nice trade here, right? And then had this this bear flag, got a little bit sketchy here with the rest of the market, but you had 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5 upper shadows, right? Usually that is indicative of a further push to the downside. So that is how that went. So this was a great trade today. Check us out. Subscribe to us on YouTube on the Bubblehead channel there, and check out our newsletter. There's links on the Twitter stream and in YouTube. So check us out, and here to learn and here to enjoy and have fun and stay on top of the markets. And I will talk to you guys later.